Hello guys, my name is Mac. For today's video, meron tayong i-open na super admin ni Huawei. Ang model niya ay EG8041B5-10. Gagamitin ko na yun sa video. Applicable din sa EG8021B5-10. Applicable din sa EG814x V5 version 1. Applicable din sa EG814x V5 na version 2. So, na yun, intro muna tayo. Ngayon, ang kailangan natin is nakakonect tayo sa Wi-Fi. Ayan. Nakakonected na tayo. Then, punta tayo sa Google Chrome. After ng Google Chrome, itype natin is 192.168.100.1. So, papasok tayo sa Welcome to Huawei web page for network configuration. Ilalagay natin is Telecom admin, telecom, then login. So, mali daw. Mali ng type ko. Copy-paste na lang tayo. Ito sa either sa dalawa kung aling gumana sa inyo. Pwede sa baba, pwede sa taas. Ito sa taas, itong gumagana sa akin eh. Yan. Then password. Yan. Copy. Paste. Then, lalabas yung service provisioning method. Then, exit natin. So, na yun, isa-isahin natin. Config, ayan. One-click diagnosis. System information. Ang ginamit ko model ay AG8041B5-10. Ayan. Firm Converge. Tawi EN. Optical. Service provisioning status. Internet port. WLAN. Home network. User device information. Advanced settings. Tawi EN. LAN. Paano i-on yung LAN? I-check nyo lang to. Then, apply. Ganon ang mag-on ng LAN ports. Port isolation, DHCP server, LAN host, DHCP static IP, DHCP version 6 server, DHCP version 6 static IP, DHCP version 6 information, port locating. Security, firewall level, IP version 4 filtering, MAC filtering, Wi-Fi MAC filtering, parental control, DOS configuration, PreSAS, device access control, IP version 6 firewall configuration, IP version 6 filtering, internet access configuration control, route, default IP version 4 route, IP static route, IP version 4 dynamic route, IP version for VLAN binding, IP version for service route, IP version for route table, default IP version 6 route, IP version 6 static route. Forward rules, DMZ function, IP version for form mapping, for triggering, IP version for IP version 6 port mapping. Application time settings, ALG, DDNS, UPnP, IGMP, integrate intelligent channel configuration, voice device identification, ERP ping, static DNS, DSCP to P-bit mapping, LAN port multi-service, VLAN sa Wi-Fi, basic network, 2.4, 2.4 advanced network, 5G basic network, 5G advanced network, automatic Wi-Fi shutdown scheduler, Wi-Fi coverage, multi-AP mesh, system Management, TR069, Account Management, Open Source Software, ONT Authentication, Maintenance Diagnosis, Software Upgrade, Configuration File Management, Upstream Port. Sa next video ko na itong ipapaliwanag. Maintenance, User Log, Firewall Log, Debug Log, Intelligent Channel, Fault Info Collect Information, Remote Mirror, Home Network Speed Test, Segment Speed Test, Indicator Status Management, Reboot Scheduler. So, paano palitan natin yung software admin na password? Punta tayo sa System Management, Account Management, then username, pindutin natin yung root, Telecom Admin. So, ilalagay natin admin Telecom. Then, ilalagay natin yung password. Ito pala. Sample password ko. Copy. Paste natin dito. Apply. Ito ang example password. So, babalik tayo sa login page niya. Password change successfully. Please use the new password to log in. O, bumalik tayo sa login niya. Telecom admin. Di ilalagay natin yung password ko. So, ito lang. Yun. Ganun lang. So, ito lang. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe and click bell, notification bell. Pag may new video ko, mana-notify ko kayo. So, ito lang yung video for Huawei. Itong apat na yan na supported. So, ito lang. Bye-bye.